In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive on a different computer. OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud service, has become an essential tool for storing documents, photos, and files in one secure location, accessible from anywhere. But what happens when you need to access your OneDrive from a different computer? Whether you're working from a friend's house, a public computer, or just switched to a new device, accessing your OneDrive content can be crucial. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Follow these simple steps and you'll have your files at your fingertips in no time. First, open a web browser of your choice. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser. The process is the same. Once your browser is open, head over to Google. Why Google, you might ask? It's a quick and efficient way to get to OneDrive without memorizing URLs. In the Google search bar, type in OneDrive and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of results pop up, but what you're looking for is the official Microsoft OneDrive site. It should be one of the first results, but if it's not, look for a link that takes you directly to Microsoft's OneDrive service. Once you find it, click on the OneDrive link from the search results. This action will redirect you to the OneDrive homepage. Microsoft has done a fantastic job at designing this page, ensuring everything you need is just a click away. Upon arriving at the OneDrive homepage, you'll notice a sign in button. Click on it. Signing in is a necessary step to access your personal files securely. You'll be asked to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Make sure you enter the correct information associated with your OneDrive account to proceed. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your OneDrive dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for accessing and managing your files. To start browsing your stored files, look for and click on My Files. This is where OneDrive organizes all your uploaded content, making it easy to find what you're looking for. For those of you who are particularly interested in accessing photos, OneDrive has a feature just for that. Click on Photos from your OneDrive dashboard. Microsoft OneDrive smartly organizes your uploaded pictures into this section, making it a breeze to find and view your memories. And for a more streamlined viewing experience, click on Gallery. This is where the magic happens. The gallery view in OneDrive gives you a beautiful, user-friendly interface to browse through your photos. You can see everything in one place, and it's an excellent way for visual folks to find the images they're looking for. These are the basic steps to access your OneDrive from a different computer. Remember, as long as you have internet access and your Microsoft account details, your files and photos are always within reach no matter where you are or what device you're using. Some additional tips to enhance your OneDrive experience include utilizing the search feature within OneDrive to quickly locate specific files or folders. Also, take advantage of OneDrive's file sorting options, which allow you to organize your content by name, date, or type, making your digital life more manageable. In conclusion, Microsoft's OneDrive is an incredibly powerful tool for storing, accessing, and managing your digital files from anywhere. By following the straightforward steps we've outlined today, you can ensure that your most important documents and precious memories are always just a few clicks away, no matter which computer you're using. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your digital experiences. Stay tuned for our next video.